Alright guys, good morning. I was at work all day yesterday after I tedded this hay, so I don't know how much sun or how much wind we actually got, so I'm just up here today checking before I make the decision whether it's worth tedding it again or not. And to be honest, it dried out pretty good yesterday. I mean, with it being so thin and not having the nitrogen on it, will dry down faster. It's not as green when you cut it. With the nitrogen and the extra fertilizer, takes it a little bit longer to dry down. So here's a lump. Let's just see. I mean, it's morning now, and the wind we had this morning and the dew is pretty well off of it. Yeah, this will be fit to bale here after a while, so I don't see tedding it again. It's just not going to be necessary. So save a little fuel, save a little time, but it's a little too early to bale. So yeah, looking out there, I can see the heat rising up off the ground. So this will be dry in a couple hours. So I think I'm gonna go back down and unhook the tedder and put the rake on instead for later this afternoon. I have some work to get done here before I can start baling. I have to get the hay elevator dug out of the shed. I have to that's right, I don't have that plug wired up yet. I completely forgot about that. All right, so I got some stuff to do before we can bale this, so I'll come back. All right, we're slowly getting ready to bale here. I got the baler hooked up. I want to run it because I have not run it since I put it away last year. See how everything is, make sure everything's working, have to hook everything up. It is a lot sunnier than was forecast, and there is a lot of wind today, so this will make some nice dry hay. Gonna keep moving here. So I did a video a while ago. I was having problems with the brakes on the 986. They were sluggish. You'd push them and it would take a little bit till you get some pressure there, but for whatever reason today they're both working. So I guess this is a case of ignoring it and it fixes itself. Every once in a while you get lucky, but not always. So the brakes are working pretty good today. All right, so got her hooked up here. Basically the pin, the PTO, one set of hydraulic valve, 3 electrical connections, 2 of which I made. One is for the baler chamber moisture sensor, and the other one is for my homemade hay preserve thing that I probably won't need. So everything's good to go there. And the rope, there's always the rope. It's not the hydraulic swing or the it's just for the thrower right and left. So simple, and it works. So we're gonna run it. All right, I got another wagon to bring up on the hill. I have to air up the tires. All the tires were flat, so keep working at it here. to the other end to get the other two. Usually I leave two on the other end. I don't know if you can hear me. I usually leave Two at that end, one at this end, but with the corn in the hayfield now, I have nowhere to stage the other wagon, so now I got to drive to the other end. Got the bowl at the opposite end. We'll keep rolling here. On average, it's between 9 and 13%. I want to double check with the moisture tester, the handheld one, when we get done here. We're done. There's a little bit up there at that end yet. Clean that up. And yeah, it's easy to make hay without fertilizer. I'll tell you what a difference from last year putting that 10 to 20 gallon of nitrogen on. I'm a whole wagon less than I was last year. So, hey, it's just how it worked out, but it is what it is. I called my hay customers.